Hello, I'm Aim2 Kraus. I'm currently an instructor here at CNET Oceana, and today we're going to be going over the Deployed Aviation Hazardous Material List, also known as DAHMLs.
A DAHML is used to provide the most accurate and consistent hazmat requirements to TICOMs for allowancing on aviation-capable ships. In this video, we will discuss procedures to access, review, and update DAHMLs as part of pre-deployment milestone instructions. Historically, Squadron Hazardous Material, also known as Hazmat, lists submitted to aviation-capable ship supply departments for aircraft maintenance requirements have varied significantly for the same type, model, and series, also known as TMS, aircraft, deck load, and type of deployment. The lack of standardized requirements leads to poor forecasting, inconsistent availability, and ultimately poor material condition for aircraft requiring excessive corrosion repairs following deployments. DAHMLs have replaced Never Out lists and combined Aviation Combat Element, Authorized User Lists, or AULs. A list of required hazmat for one aircraft per month is exported to an Excel file for review. DAHMLs list current procurable and valid national stock numbers, or NSNs, provide key logistics data, current references, and assigned ship hazardous material lists allowed onboard codes, or AOBs. DAHMLs also provide a mean for TMS stakeholders to document decisions related to NSNs, configuration changes, and substitutions. Squadrons must review their TMS DAHMLs for accuracy no later than 9 months prior to deploying. Utilizing the DAHML website, the Command Hazardous Material Control and Management Supervisor downloads and reviews their applicable TMS DAHML with Squadron Airframes SMEs. The HMC and M manager will discuss their wing or MAG to ensure hazmat expected usage quantities are accurate and reflect known or anticipated maintenance requirements for special, conditional, scheduled, and likely unscheduled organizational level maintenance events. The material condition required column will also be validated, which identifies specific hazmat used in major corrosion inspections or daily inspections. If any discrepancies are identified during the review process, a DAHML change request must be submitted via the DAHML website. The DAHML change request function is used to request additions, deletions, or updates to a TMS DAHML. If an NSN is not on the list of options for the change request, users can select NSN Not on DAHML option to add information on the requested NSN. Completed DAHML change requests must be routed through a TMS SME's wing or MAG representative, and NAVAIR Environment, Safety, and Occupational Health Logisticians, or NAVAIR-ELS, for approval. NATEC Corrosion Maintenance Readiness Team, CMRTs, will ensure requests have required information, confirm the validity, and provide justification for any approval or rejection in the DAHML change request form. If no changes are necessary, the HMC and M manager will inform the operational commander of completed TMS DAHML review. The operational commander will run the DAHML combo tool and will review the final combined DAHML with each squadron. Any additional hazmat required can be added along with references to support requirements. NSN technical data for any additions will have to be validated by the ELS. Combined TMS DAHMLs must be sent to TICOM no later than 8 months prior to deployment. In closing today, it's important to follow the DAHML user guide to ensure the system is able to support your command to achieve 100% material condition capability and to accurately complete every corrosion prevention task while deployed in the harshest of all operational environments. It is also imperative that you are knowledgeable of squadron and ship hazmat policies as well as applicable DoD, local environment, hazmat, and hazwaste laws, rules, regulations, and procedures pertaining to your maintenance department. From CNET Oceana, this is Aim2 Kraus. Have a fine Navy and Marine Corps day.